everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to turn off notification setting on Olymp Trade application using your smartphone. To turn off the notification setting from Olymp Trade, open the Olymp Trade application on your device and log in. From the homepage of Olymp Trade, go to the top left corner and tap on your human icon. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this profile section. From your profile page, go to the top right corner and tap on the bell icon. And from the notifications tab, go to the top right again and click the gear icon. This will open up the notification page, and from there, you can go ahead and turn off any kind of notifications you don't want. For example, if you want to turn off the terminal notifications, toggle off the button right next to terminals, and so on. If you want to turn off the entire notifications, then scroll all the way down and look for the push notifications button and toggle it off, and you'll not receive any kind of a notification from Olymp Trade. So that is how you can easily do it. Apart from that, you can turn off or turn on the types of notifications you want or you don't. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.